108. Dave Moretti sees it 120 to 108. And Dwayne Ford scores about 120 to 107. All three in favor of the winner. And still the WBO welterweight champion of the world, Manny Pacman Pacquiao.
Shut out. Almost shut out.
Malayo. 119, 108, 120, 108, 120, 107.
Maganda talaga si
Manny Pacquiao.
And then Leon Fononcillo put the WBO belt on Manny Pacquiao.
Pakinggan natin ang sasabihin ni Manny Pacquiao. Lopsided, unanimous decision. Pagpalagay ko, gusto yung mga judges in-ignore yung knockdown nila. Oo, dahil shut out.
Alam nila naman kita
naman eh.
Bob Arum is there. You know, palagay ko, after this fight, Floyd Mayweather may think he can beat Pacquiao because
the defensive style. Better defensive fighter si Mayweather.
Round 1.
Round 1 action. Ito, medyo nagsusubukan pa noong unang round. Medyo pakiramdaman pa. Yun, the rare occasion na nakita natin binitawan ni Mosley yung kanyang kanang kamao. Round number 3, yan po ninyong kombinasyon.
Knockdown.
Beautiful.
I thought he would get up.
I was looking for more of combinations na ganon. Leading with the right and then with the left.
Pero ito, takbo naman. So hard to catch him eh.
At least meron na siyang second career. Pwede siyang sumali sa Boston Marathon. Di ba? Tama mo siyang kandidato. Ano? Ito, round number 9. Tuloy ang arangkada ni Manny Pacquiao. Habang naghahanap naman ng makukuberan. Itong si Shane Mosley. Nag-open up ng contest si Mosley dito. Pero kita niyo naman, natiso din.
Si Kenny Bayless.
Oo.
Ay, boy.
Nagreklamo nga si Manny Pacquiao.
He will never officiate the Pacquiao fight again.
At ito, press back ni Pacquiao. Tinalog niya after that fluke knockdown. He was all over.
Hindi naman knockdown eh.
Oh, ganda ng mga kaliwa. Ganda Ito yung mga last few minutes.
He was upset that he could knock him out.
Palagay ko yun ang hinahanap niya. Naghahanap siya ng ika nga scintillating knockout. The last thing he wants is muling dumistansya sa ikatlong pagkakataon. Yung kanyang laban. Pero sabi nga po natin mga kaibigan sa boxing, it takes two to tango. Si Pacquiao lang pumunta na interesadong makipagsapakan ng mukha.